Hello everyone, this is Solo Western and today I got roller skates. So the roller skates I got are the KRF School Special in the color fuchsia roller skates. So with these roller skates, this is what they look like. I ordered them from Extreme Inn and they deliver from the Netherlands. So I ordered these in around March 23 and they delivered it on April 5th. So it took half a month for it to get here, but it was pretty quick because the invoice said that I'd receive it on the 11th to the 17th, but I got it on April 5th. So with these roller skates, this is what the book looks like. Of course, they are a size 32, but they have sizes up. So the toe stops are polyurethane, so are the wheels. The durometers are 54 by 32 millimeters with a white plate, a white sole, and a fuchsia color vinyl boot. And hard cushion. The only thing that I found weird with these roller skates are that when I received them, the bearings were going this way, so they were moving back and forth. But you can fix it by just adjusting the washer. The bearings are a 3A Beck bearing. So these roller skates cost me around 2,527.99 and the postage cost 2,077.99 plus damages fees 47.43 and the total is around 4,651.41. So a short story on why I got roller skates. So the reason that I got roller skates is because I wanted to ice skate, but ice skating is pretty expensive and it's a pandemic. So there's no ice available here and you can't go to the malls. So the best option right now is to go roller skating. So that's why I got roller skates. Also because I had a dream that I was like skating around our street or block and I was doing tricks. So the reason that I got roller skates now is because 5 years ago I asked my grandma if I could buy roller skates and her condition was that she'd only get me roller skates if I could roll around the mall and not fall. But I was like, Grandma, I'd have to learn. That's not how things work. So she never got me roller skates. And now I saved up to get my own roller skates. I got them. The thing also with me buying roller skates is that I have really small feet and I'm an adult. So it was really hard searching for roller skates that fit my size and that was in my budget. And thankfully I found roller skates that actually fit my foot. And with these roller skates, I've tried them on already. Is that the padding is really good and it's squishy. There's like a padding around the ankle and around the foot so that it doesn't hurt. And your toes, they're like secure. They're like the boot hugs around the toes like this securely but doesn't touch the toes, so it's comfortable to roll around in. Out of the box, you get your boot, a tag, as well as a user manual on how to use the roller skate. They show you the different types of roller skates that they have. I got this one. As well as instructions in English, Germany, Swedish, and all other languages. It also shows you your warranty. So the warranty is around 2 years. So you can return the roller skate if ever it breaks, and then they can return it to you before the warranty ends. Any year than that, you can no longer return the shoe. Out of the box for 2,000 pesos plus, you do not get tools, so you'd have to buy separate tools which are cheap. You can get them from Shopee or Lazada. They're around like 150 to 70 pesos depending on what you get. You can either get the Y tool or the T tool to help adjust your skates, your trucks.